Hello, guys, welcome back to a new video. And in this video, I am going to tell you that how to create a YouTube channel. Before starting this video, I request you to hit that like button. So, how to create a YouTube channel. Creating a YouTube channel using your Google account. If you have a Google account, you can watch, share and comment on YouTube content. However, Google accounts don't automatically create YouTube channels. Getting a new channel set up is a simple and quick process, though. 1. Go to YouTube and sign in. Head over to youtube.com and click sign in the top right corner of the page. Then log in using the Google account you'd like your channel to be associated with. 2. Head over to your YouTube settings. In the top right corner of the screen, click on your profile icon and then the settings cog icon. 3. Create your channel. Under your settings, you'll see the option to create a channel. Click on this link. Next, you'll have the option to create a personal channel or create a channel using a business or other name. For this example, we'll choose the business option. Now, it's time to name your channel and select a category. The channel options available include product or brand, company, institution or organizations, entertainment or sports, other. Note, a new Google Plus page will also be created for your brand. Congratulations! You've just created a new YouTube channel. How to create a YouTube channel if you don't already have a Google account. If you don't already have a Google account set up, you'll need to create one before you get started on YouTube. To do this, simply follow the below steps. 1. Head to youtube.com. 2. Click sign in. 3. Now, choose the option to create a Google account. 4. Follow the steps to create your Google account. Now, you're all set up with a Google account and can follow the above steps to create a YouTube channel. How to create YouTube channel art or banner. I will give the link create YouTube channel art and profile photo in the description box below. Let's move to the PC and see how to make a channel. Thanks for watching this video. If this video helped you in creating YouTube channel, so please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Follow me on social networking platforms as well. All the links situated in the description. Thanks for watching. See you soon.